have the supplies.
Yeah, man, the weather today is really nice. I like it.
Yep.
I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, so it's always hot where I'm from, and it's dry desert, you know?
Oh my.
Yeah.
Here,
Hot, really hot.
I like coming here in the winter, in June, July.
Yeah.
So good.
Oh, is it the best weather in July and
Yeah,
June?
yeah. If you like, if you don't want to go to the beach, yes.
Oh,
But
okay.
even then, when it's sunny, it's hot.
Okay.
Once in winter, we had 36.
Oh, wow. I see.
In summer, in winter. But like this is okay.
Yeah, this is perfect for me.
This was made by the slaves too.
This was made by the slaves too?
This is a kind of a trail.
Yes.
The stones, we call it brat's foot.
Okay, I see.
Like a boy's foot.
Interesting.
We have a candy with this name. Banana.
What is that?
Banana.
Oh, banana plant?
Yeah, but not all bananas are edible.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot of spider. This is banana.
I know, I felt the web over there, spider web.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Not normal to have a lot of spiders. But it was too. We it was not raining. They don't tolerate rain.
What was that?
If it rains a lot, it's destroyed the webs.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. You see, this was it. The trail made
Handmade.
by the slaves. Yeah. Look, it was like this, but the rain.
The rain messed it up a little bit.
Yes, exactly. This is jabuticaba. Jabuticaba. Only in Brazil.
This tree right here is only in Brazil?
Yeah. Now we have something different. We say jabuticaba, just in Brazil.
Okay. Yeah, I can't pronounce it.
Jabuticaba.
Jabuticaba.
It's easy. Jabuticaba
Yeah.
is the fruit. If you say
Oh, it's
jabuti without the kaba, jabuti
Jabuti.
is a turtle.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So I have a meme.
Yes.
The boy throwing a turtle. Go back to freedom.
Go back to freedom?
Yeah, swim back to freedom. The turtle saying, I'm a jabuti,
Yeah.
I'm a land turtle,
Oh, okay.
drowning, you know?
Oh, I see, I see. Wow, interesting.
Jabuti. Is that Tupi Guarani name? So we have a candy similar to this, made of peanuts.
Oh, really?
The rocks would be the peanuts.
Oh,
If
okay.
I see, I show you.
Wow.
You need the toilet?
No, no. I'm good. No, thank you.
And then the surprise.
Surprise.
Have the camera ready.
Okay.
So we practically the forest tour, the trail, and this baby down up there. Jackfruit from Malaysia.
With that tree right there?
This to the right.
Yeah.
It's called jackfruit. This tree, I think it's this guy here. Is a kind of cotton.
Cotton?
Cotton, yeah. Cotton. It's really smooth.
Wow.
It's called pineiras.
Oh, yeah?
This is a palm tree from the Caribbean.
Oh, the Caribbean?
Yeah, very high.
Wow, it is a high tree.
And the tub. What was the tub used for?
I don't know, what's it used for?
Horse.
What?
Horses.
Horses? The tub right there?
To drink water.
Oh, wow.
You can drink
Interesting.
The water. You can drink the water.
Oh, beautiful waterfall.
35 meters.
Wow, that's nice.
Of course, this is a huge area.
Yeah.
The name.
And the water's cold. Yeah.
It's cold, but not like in this. Not warm.
Wow. This is beautiful, man. Really beautiful. I love it. Man, it's beautiful, man. I love it.
When tourists ask me where is the water coming from,
Yeah.
I say God.
God, huh? Wow. You say you could drink the water, right?
Yeah. I drink. They look nice.
French. How many languages you speak?
English and German.
Okay, English and German.
You wanna drink the water?
I could drink it?
Yeah, I drink. I will drink it too.
All right.
Oh. Delicious. Not a mineral. Don't worry about food and stuff.
Oh, the water is really good.
If you're gonna get sick, you're gonna get sick.
Yeah.
Ah, but your stomach. I don't understand some tourists. My stomach is used to shit, no. Because, you know, depends on what to eat.
Oh, yeah, true, true.
Take a look there. I'm gonna pee.
Right here?
Go to-
Okay.
Where the lady is and look down.
Okay. Okay. And this is paradise. I love it out here. Love it out here.
You want to go back to the trail or to the main street maybe?
We could go to the main street this way. Yeah. Yeah, man, this is, I love it, man.
Basically,
Thank you.
Basically, this is the Tijuca Forest Tour because we still have the favela.
Okay.
You cannot. Like I said, I was checking 6 hours. It's a tour with a guide from here.
Oh, yeah?
You walk 6 hours. But if you walk all the way, these are old pavements.
Right here?
Yeah. They still glued together, huh? Look.
They did a good job, huh?
Yeah, after 150 years.
Wow. That's good.
Yeah, no monkeys, no.
At nighttime, maybe, huh? More animals come out.
They always. But What I saw in my life, I didn't believe when I was walking down after the favela to go to my friend's house
Yeah.
to work out. When I saw, I said, I don't. I told myself, I don't. I was wearing glasses at the time.
Yeah.
After I turned 50, it's zero.
Yeah,
I
50.
don't need glasses.
Yeah.
Then I looked, what the hell? I don't believe.
Yeah.
Then I kept looking. It was it's a puppy lion
Oh, wow, really?
in the favela.
Damn.
And the next
There was a
day,
baby lion?
I read in the papers that the guy was arrested by
Oh.
the forest police.
Oh, because you can't have that here, huh?
Of course not. It's illegal. A big
Yeah.
puppy lion.
Wow, baby lion.
God, a baby lion. And then he saw the dog, big paws, you know. And
Oh,
then I
wow.
asked the guy, why you feeding him?
Yeah.
He said, angu, it's something made of corn, for food.
Oh, so he got the lion from Africa, huh?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
No, where they go from a circus, whatever.
Oh
But
yeah,
I
it could be a
saw
circus
it.
too.
I saw it.
Yeah, or zoo, huh?
Yeah,
Maybe
a
zoo.
puppy lion.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe escaped from zoo. I don't know. Because the favela, a lot of secrets. You know?
Yeah. You guys have zoos out here or no?
The zoo is downtown, very far away.
Oh, far away. Okay.
Come on. But a puppy lion here would starve because how would you?
Feed them.
How can you? How could it eat?
Yeah.
Because the monkeys are too smart.
Yeah, true.
Maybe the raccoons, yes.
Raccoons.
A bear here could
Yeah.
survive. But not a lion. Too much meat.